like us, that's why I keep the heat touched. Squeezed off a couple round, a few dudes got touched up, ready for your close-up. Fucking players, old praises through the dawn, see the Lord and Savior. Mischievous behavior brought upon for years of settling. My style and my attributes, fuckers stay embezzling. The dudes stay embellishing, the light the list supposedly. Government gang affiliation with the swords and rosary. Alliance free is over, G. Think before opposing me. Cunning calculating, as you victory easily. I'm in this written circle, surrounded by the squares. Fucking losing, need a man, I'm shedding alligator tears. Me feel bad, cause you ended up in last place. Like Shaq, hey, tell me how my ass tastes. No homo, just having a little bit of fun with it. The viral competition, use the bones at my toothpick. Ball like Globetrotters, hotter than the enchilada. Broken language, your puntos can really do me now. The 4 horseman way, best believe that I'm a rider, child of destiny. Showing to you that I'm survivor, live wire. My lyrics will electrocute ya, like Luther in this game. I'm an evil dude, shoot through you, throw your stones out my glad encasement. But say the sign to tell children told you I'm the fame. Niggas faking it, shaking in the fucking boots and frames. And the 6 niggas, where they loosely hang, leave Chris lame. It's all for the blind and fame. Pop your top, leave your box, 6 feet under is where I aim. Couldn't care less about your set, live your whole chest wet up. Vigilante season, Bronson, a nigga's fed up. Ocean 11 set up, these clouds need together. Quick the fucking yapping and shit some down somewhere and shut the fucking shit.